Hey, what's up, guys? Gonna give you a quick update on OrganiGram. Today is February 15th, Monday, President's Day. Before the market opens tomorrow on Tuesday, I wanted to talk a little bit about OrganiGram, give you a little bit of a quick update and some commentary and my opinion on what I think is going on. If you haven't been hiding under a rock, and especially if you're in cannabis stocks right now, I'm sure you've heard of OrganiGram and you've heard of the news about the $2 to about $7 jump in less than a week. And so I wanted to talk about that, give my little bit of opinion on that. So last Monday, I saw OrganiGram go from about $2.40 a share to about $3.30 a share. So it jumped about $1 in one day. I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. Maybe that has to do with some federal legalization news, some of Biden's policies moving forward, and OrganiGram leading the way in the cannabis movement. So I thought that, hey, that's pretty cool. I'm out with my family in Big Bear, and the next day I see it jump about another $1. So I go to my wife and I say, hey man, OrganiGram jumped another $1. She thought, hey, that's pretty cool. And so, we take our kids out sledding in the snow, and we come back to our cabin, and OrganiGram jumps like another $1, and it's at like almost $5 a share. It's almost closing out at $5 a share. So I'm starting to think, man, something's going on here. Because in my opinion and in my research, I believe right now OrganiGram is worth $3 a share max. And I didn't think that I would see $5, $6, $7 a share for at least another year or two, regardless of the federal legalization news and the Biden policy, just based off my research. I put out on my Facebook, on my social media, that I thought that this run-up, this spike, might not be real, and to be careful if you're hearing news in the media about OrganiGram, not to jump in right away, because as fast as it's run up, is as fast as it could go down. And gosh, I think even the next day it ran up to about $7.50 a share, and I think in after hours on February 11th it hit $7.95 a share, almost $8 a share. And so, I just put that out on my Facebook page and told some of the people that might have followed me and jumped in on OrganiGram to be careful, and that I was actually selling off shares at $5 and $6 a share, even $7 a share to protect profit. I was actually selling shares because I didn't think that the run-up was real. Kind of had me concerned, and that I thought that there was some weird stuff happening. Somebody commented back on my post saying that, when Reddit, starts to get a hold of these stocks, they kind of turn into meme stocks, as they're calling it. And these meme stocks, they could really get taken a hold with the internet and with media and things like that. And so new investors kind of jump in, and really the stock gets overbought. And so really I think that's what it was. Obviously we see that OrganiGram fell on Friday, on the 12th, back down to like $4 a share, or even like under that, like $3.80 a share or something. So you could see right now that the market is moving in some weird ways, that it's super volatile. And right now, guys, I would just recommend being careful on your investing and where you're placing your capital, and that you do your due diligence. I was buying OrganiGram back in December at $1.36 a share, and I bought it based off of my research. I bought it based off of their investor page and what they were doing with their company, and I liked the company and what they were doing. But right now, with this kind of, false run up, I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments where you think OrganiGram's going. I want to know what your opinions are. Leave them in the comments. It really means a lot to me to let me know what you think is going to happen next with OrganiGram, because at this point, with my research and analysis, I don't know, guys, what's going to happen next. My indication's telling me it's going to go back down to like $2 a share, and I might accumulate more at that price. But I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comment below. I really want to know your opinion. If you've done the research, where you think OrganiGram's going short term, and where you think it's going to go long term. So thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.